In this video I'm going to show you how to remove someone from group chat on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, and I'll show you a couple different ways how you can do that. So let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and get in some group chat. I just created one for example to show you how to remove someone from that chat and to check if it's even possible. So first you're gonna tap here on profile icon of that group. Here you got all the group members, and first you may tap on that person's name. Like imagine that I want to block that person, to remove that from the chat. I can tap and hold on that person and now tap on manage friendship, and here I got two options. I may block that person or I may remove friend. If I select one of them options, that person will be removed from that group chat if every member of this chat do the same action, and then this person will be deleted from that conversation. And here is another way how you can remove someone from group chat in Snapchat. So you don't have the real option to remove a person even if you just created that group chat, but you can create new group chat and invite there all that persons except one person that you want to remove from the group. You can just go to your chat list, tap here on that icon, select new group, and there you can select all the persons except that one, and then tap here to create chat with that group. So there are two ways how to remove someone from group chat on Snapchat, and I hope this information was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.